Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video we are going to add a content delivery network, the free version, to our website, and I will show you the manual way to enable it on our website. So let's go to Cloudflare. Okay. Okay, now the next thing is you can go to sign up and put your email address here. Okay, now on the second step of this processor, you need to type your web address. Let me just copy it in case if I... Okay, click add the website. Now it will scan the record of our website, so we have to wait for 30 seconds. Okay, the scan is complete. Let's continue. And now we added it. Okay, alright. If any visitor visit on our website, first it will visit to the Cloudflare, and if it is a good IP, it will redirect to our website, and if it is not a good IP, then it will get some error. Just click I have added all the missing records and click continue. Now, in case if you want to go with a premium subscription, you can choose the business one or pro ones. You will get more features. But since this video is, in this video I'm going to use the free one, so the $0 per month. For the performance, I would suggest you to choose the CDN plus basic optimization. For the security, make sure you click essential off. No, for the low, make it low. We can change this thing later on, but for now I'm just using the low, and click continue. Okay, now these are the name server we used to put in GoDaddy, but now we have to change them and use this one. So let's go to GoDaddy. Okay, go to domain and manage my domain. Okay, now click the domain reviews and deals. And do the same thing as we did before when we propagated our domain to hosting. So we are going to change the name server to the Cloudflare name server. So copy the name server one and click edit name server, paste the name server one and copy the name server two, paste it here and click OK and save. So it says that a request has been submitted. Change may take few moments. So if you go to the now if you go and check who is hosting our website. Okay, let me put here our domain and check the, so it will find the web host. Alright. Yeah, now as you can see that our name server is now name server is changed, and our website is using a Cloudflare, as you can see in who is. So the content delivery network Cloudflare, and the name server is Nina NS Cloudflare and the Bob NS Cloudflare. Okay, and by this way we can use a Cloudflare website, and it will save our bandwidth. If you go to analytics, you will see you can find here that how many page views you are getting daily, and the traffic graph here will be in 3 lines. The first one is green, which is regular traffic, the pink one is for crawl and boats, and the red one are threads. So right now there is nothing cause it's not updated. So by this way we can add the Cloudflare to our domain, to our website, and if you check the performance, let's go to ping dom. And test now. Okay, now as you can see that the load time is in microsecond. It's not even 1 second, but it is in microsecond. So the effect of Cloudflare is that it will reduce the load time of our website, and it will give us a fast load time for our website. So you can see that your website is faster than 100% of all the tested website. Okay, let's go and check it on GTmetrix too. Go. Okay, the same result, 94% for Wieslow and 95% for Google. So we have optimized our website, and the page load time is very good. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.